Hello guys, today we're gonna do a digital perm. The digital perm differs from cold perm. We need special machine for this. This chemical procedure that can create light waves at the ends of your hair. This perm is better suited for thick hair, but today my cute model has thin one, so our waves are less expressed and little weaker because this type of hair holds any shape worse. This curl can be dried using a special method that I show you in this video. If you want more pronounced curls, you can dry your hair with diffuser and styling. And if you just randomly dry your hair, you get funky beat waves like Contraindications. Keep in mind that contraindications for this type of perm are bleached and damaged hair. Before you decide to do digital perm, look at various reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching my video. Follow me on my Instagram selena.uz. Thank you guys. Bye bye.